Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for writing review articles. So first of all, open your browser, then we'll go straight to ChatGPT. Now what we have to do is to give it a detailed prompt. For example, I like to write a review about the car Rolls-Royce. So I'm just going to give it this prompt right here. Give me a detailed review article about Rolls-Royce, also including how the company started and how the car gained its reputation as the most luxurious car in the world. Also talk about how it's completely handmade and customizable, and also include its engine capabilities, and then include the cons like high maintenance cost, highly expensive, and not many mechanics know this car, and give a verdict in the last. So as you guys can see, I have given it a pretty detailed prompt. So you'll have to do so in the same fashion to get a review article of high quality. Now after that, just hit enter and let ChatGPT do its magic. So as you guys can see, ChatGPT has given me a detailed review article about my given topic. It started off with the introduction, that how the company started, historical origins, its owners, craftsmanship and customization, how it's hand built and everything. How its interior is filled with luxury and comfort, as well as they are powered by powerful engines V12s, and then gave a paragraph about the cons, and in the last gave a verdict about the Rolls Royce cars. Now you can make the prompt more detailed so that you get the best out of ChatGPT, and you can do so by just following this prompt method right here to give ChatGPT a detailed prompt, and in return you will get your awesome review article. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.